So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Windows Sandbox. You want to untick this box, which will uninstall it, and then click on OK. Then you want to uninstall the Windows Sandbox. After that's been uninstalled, you want to go to search again and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once you're back on this, you want to reinstall it again. So just scroll down, tick Windows Sandbox, and then click on OK, which will then reinstall it again, and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to come back into turn Windows features on or off. Make sure that you have Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform both ticked, and then click on OK. You want to enable both of these. Make sure they're both enabled. If it tells you to restart your computer, then restart it. Come back into Windows, see if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in services. Click on it. You want to scroll down till you see Hyper-V. Scroll down. You want to find Hyper-V Remote Desktop Virtualization Service. This one right here. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic, and then click on OK. For the last method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Then you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.